gon' do this my way. Up running around like you forget who I am. But I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you ain't hop on my wave. I helped you style, I helped you grind. And you know for damn sure I'll always ride. Your mama always call me and that's alright. Cause she know I'm the only one who stood by your side. I don't like to brag on what I do, but you acting like I didn't make you.
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a hair review. Without further ado, let's get to it.
There's a girl so lovely to me. She is the reason I dare to believe love can be simple, pure and good sometimes. And I take her heart with me wherever I go. She's one in a million.
This is how the unit looks straight from the pack, and it is an ordinary cap construction with a comb at the back, the adjustable strap, two combs on either side, and an adjustable elastic band, so this cap ain't going nowhere, guys. I'll go ahead and put the wig on so you can see how the parting space is looking, because this unit is a 13x6 fully untied lace wig, and you all don't mind the cap under my wig.
She is my heart forever, my girl, and her eyes.
So this is what the parting space is looking like, guys, minus my cap showing under, and this is it to the side, so you can go ahead, you can do it in the middle, you can part it at the side, left side, right side, or whatever parting you want. As you all can see, this is a hair-to-hair lace, and you don't need to pluck this hairline. I'll go ahead and add some powder to the lace.
Timeless and perfect, beautiful, charming and true. Those daisies remind me of you. I'd go to the sun and back for her love. Oh, I'd fight in a million wars to collapse.
You want to make sure you cut the excess lace off before you start laying your wig.
Calling a daisy. She is my whole world. She is my heart forever, my girl, and her eyes take me back to the.
I'll cut the lace to the side, and I'll do the same thing with this part. I saw this technique, guys, on Insta, and I decided to try it out. I'll go ahead and add one layer of the got-to-be glue, and then I'll make sure it is tacky. Then I'll add the other layer and blow dry. Now I'll go ahead and lay this lace, guys. You can use your comb, your hand, or whatever you want, guys. Just do whatever works best for you, and make sure the glue is fully dried. I'll spray the hair with the got-to-be Flex Instant Old Hairspray. Now we're on to the second section of the lace, and we're going to do the same thing. Add 2 layers of got-to-be glue. Use your blow dryer and make sure the glue is tacky before you lay the lace. I am going back in with the got-to-be spray. My blow dryer is on medium heat. Now we're on to the final section of the lace.
Conquering my dreams, honest and true. Wrote this for you, Daisy. everything to me. Words and memories are wasted. They don't capture what you mean. You gave me what I am chasing.
Now we're on to cutting the lace, and guys, with this technique it is so much easier to cut and lay the lace because we're doing it in 3 parts than the entire lace by itself.
I didn't know angels could die. I hear your voice call in the night. You tell my heart you're alive. Heaven has a reason to light the sky. So stand in line with all the angels tonight.
After removing the lace, you may have a part of the lace that is lifting, so it's good to go back in with the got-to-be spray and spray the lace. So guys, the lace will be completely laid. Now I'm going to make some teenager or baby hairs, and this is optional, guys.
Present, all my love tells you stay in heaven. You were my angel in life. I didn't know angels could die. I hear your voice call in the night. You tell my heart you're alive. Heaven has a reason to light the sky. So stand in line with all the angels tonight. No crying, no dying, surrounded by angels, other angels tonight. You're dancing, you're laughing, surrounded by angels, other angels tonight. No crying, no dying, surrounded by.
I am going back in with the got-to-be spray.
You're laughing, surrounded by angels, other angels tonight.
The final step is to tie the lace. I'll add the Maybelline Fit Me powder to the lace. Now we're on to styling the hair. You can style the hair in the middle, you can do it to the side, or you can do it with no part at all. I'll add some mousse to the hair and use my fingers to separate the curls.
You were my angel in life. I didn't know angels could die.
I am going for a flip over look.
Tell my heart you're alive. Heaven has a reason to light the sky. So stand in line with all the angels tonight.
Can you tell I'm feeling this unit? Yes, I'm feeling it. This unit is the bomb. Yes, it is the bomb, guys. You gotta go and get this unit, guys. If you don't have it, guys, go and get it. So my final thought about the unit, I have a few shedding in tangle with the unit, guys, but that is nothing to take away from this gorgeous unit. I love the curls, I love the style. It is big and friendly. It is beginner friendly, guys. You don't have to lay the lace and do all this baby hairs and be extra like your girl, and this unit will still look fly. The link to the unit is in the description down below, so you can go and check it out if you're interested. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, I do appreciate you all. Bye.
Your girl living off what I built. Boy, you better stop and chill before